A permanently limited PayPal account means you're indefinitely restricted from sending, receiving, or withdrawing funds. It's a severe restriction, often due to suspected fraud, policy violations, or high risk activities. PayPal may ultimately close the account if the issue isn't resolved. Several factors can lead to a permanent limitation on your PayPal account. These include suspected fraud or unusual activity, violating PayPal's policies, engaging in high risk transactions, or failing to verify your identity. The first reason is suspected fraud or unusual activity. This can include suspicious logins from unfamiliar locations or unexpectedly large transfers that trigger PayPal's security systems. Another common reason is violating PayPal's policies, such as selling prohibited items. PayPal has strict rules against certain goods and services that cannot be transacted through their platform. High-risk transactions can also lead to limitations, particularly those involving sanctioned countries or other restricted destinations. PayPal monitors these closely for compliance reasons. Finally, failing to verify your identity with matching documents can result in permanent limitations. PayPal requires accurate verification to ensure account security and compliance. If your initial appeal through the Resolution Center is unsuccessful, escalate the issue to PayPal's Executive Relations team via phone or email. Prepare a detailed explanation of your situation and provide any evidence that refutes PayPal's claims. Be polite, professional, and persistent in your communication. Resolution can take 1 to 30 days, requiring patience and thorough documentation. When all appeals to reinstate your limited PayPal account have been unsuccessful, an alternative option is to create and link a new PayPal account. However, this should be done cautiously. Avoid transferring large sums of money to the new account right away, as sudden large transfers could trigger additional security flags and limitations. Most importantly, ensure that the new account is set up to be compliant with PayPal's policies from the very beginning. This means providing accurate information and following all guidelines to avoid future restrictions. To help with compliance, consider verifying your new account immediately. Verified accounts come with several benefits, including higher transaction limits, enhanced security features like two-factor authentication, and faster resolution for any disputes. If your PayPal account limitation affects purchases you've made, you can dispute the charges with your credit card company. Provide documentation of the limitation and any attempts you've made to resolve the issue with PayPal. Credit card disputes follow a structured process, often involving forms, letters, and a 60-day window for contact. Key steps include disputing charges and providing thorough documentation. Use dispute forms on credit card statements, or write formal dispute letters with charge details. If you're in the EU, you can appeal under the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, for data access and clarification on why the limitation was imposed. GDPR provides rights to access your personal data held by PayPal and understand the reasoning behind account limitations. You can submit a data access request using official forms to exercise these rights. In the US, file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, or CFPB. The CFPB oversees consumer financial complaints and can investigate issues with PayPal account limitations. Their complaint process involves logging, classifying, and investigating issues to ensure fair treatment. These legal avenues can prompt PayPal to review your case more thoroughly and potentially resolve the limitation. PayPal is increasingly using AI and automation to detect fraudulent activity, leading to more proactive account limitations. While this reduces fraud, it can also result in legitimate accounts being flagged. Understand that an AI might have made the initial decision, making your appeal even more critical. Consumer advocacy groups are pushing for more user-friendly appeal processes. These groups work to ensure that users have fair access to appeals when their accounts are limited. While the right to appeal is becoming more common in financial services, this shift represents progress toward user-centric approaches where customers can challenge decisions more easily. However, successfully overturning a permanent limitation remains challenging despite these improvements. Stay informed about your rights and advocate for fair treatment to ensure your voice is heard in the appeals process. PayPal's integration with broader ecosystems, including crypto and other fintech services, has led to stricter limits on activities it deems high risk. This includes expanded crypto support and acquisitions of fintech tools, which correlate with tighter restrictions on hybrid activities like NFT sales. Activities, such as unauthorized crypto transactions or links to gambling services, can now face automatic permanent restrictions. Be aware of how these integrations might affect your account and ensure you comply with all relevant policies to avoid limitations. Looking ahead, experts predict that future PayPal accounts will feature AI-powered chatbots that can resolve minor issues instantly. This innovation could significantly reduce the number of permanent limitations by allowing users to fix problems on the spot. However, geopolitical tensions around the world could lead to tighter restrictions for users in certain regions. Additionally, the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi, may prompt PayPal to implement stricter policies for users involved in these emerging financial systems. This case study demonstrates how a UK e-commerce seller successfully appealed a permanent PayPal limitation. After their account was flagged for unusual refund patterns, they provided comprehensive documentation, including tax records and sales data, to prove their business legitimacy. The appeal process involved submitting detailed evidence through PayPal's Resolution Center and escalation to their executive relations team. After 45 days of verification, citing protections under the EU Digital Services Act, the account was successfully reinstated. This highlights the critical importance of maintaining and providing comprehensive documentation to support your claims during the appeal process. Consider the case of an Australian crypto trader who encountered permanent PayPal limitations after multiple cryptocurrency purchases were flagged as high-risk activities. The trader escalated their appeal through PayPal's support channels, providing detailed transaction records and explanations. After thorough review, PayPal partially lifted the restrictions, allowing fund withdrawals but maintaining limits on new outgoing transactions. This outcome illustrates that resolution results can differ significantly depending on the specific nature of the flagged activity and the strength of the user's appeal documentation. In 2025, PayPal reported limiting 1.2 million accounts globally, with 15% of these limitations classified as severe cases requiring permanent restrictions. The appeal success rate for permanent limitations is significantly lower than for temporary holds, with only 12% of permanent cases being successfully overturned compared to 25% for temporary restrictions. This stark difference highlights the difficulty of overturning permanent limitation decisions, requiring thorough documentation and evidence to succeed. A survey found that most limited users felt the process was opaque, with average resolution times exceeding 2 weeks. This underscores the need for PayPal to improve transparency and communication during the limitation process. The rising cost of fintech fraud is driving PayPal's stringent policies. Globally, fintech fraud costs reached $1.8 trillion in 2025, according to Cybersecurity Ventures. This enormous financial burden is pushing PayPal to implement stricter security measures and account limitations. PayPal's actions are a direct response to the increasing threat of cybercrime as they work to safeguard both their users and their own financial stability. Fintech analysts argue that PayPal must balance security with user rights and make appeal processes more transparent to avoid reputational damage. Listen to the experts and demand fair treatment from PayPal. Consumer advocates emphasize that many PayPal account limitations stem from overzealous algorithms. These automated systems are designed to detect fraud quickly, but they can sometimes flag legitimate users due to overly cautious parameters. To combat this, users should document everything related to their account activity. Keep records of transactions, communications with PayPal, and any verification steps taken. This documentation is crucial when appealing limitations. Additionally, involve regulators early in the process. In the US, contact the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. In the EU, use GDPR rights to access your data and appeal decisions. Early involvement can prevent permanent limitations and ensure fair treatment. Legal experts anticipate that PayPal will adopt more user-friendly resolutions, potentially mirroring credit card dispute processes. Stay informed about your rights and advocate for fair treatment.